tired of it? Using ratchet straps and everything to hold up your coolers and, you know, sliding everywhere? Okay, we're back with it. We got StarknightMT's storage box here. You know, that sucker's very, very light. We're gonna open it up. It's got a little latch right here. Opens up like that right there. You know, you got your 3 holes in the back. You're gonna line it up with the holes in here. Like me, I can't put nothing up there because I have speakers. So we're gonna put it back here and make it seats and stuff. You know, that's how easy it is. I'm gonna show you how I open this right here, and it shows how many cans can hold up in here. That's a whole case of Dr. Pepper. You still got all this room right here to put ice and stuff in there, etc. You know, that's gonna be my cold beverage. Open it up. The sucker's still dry in there.